Hi everyone, how are you? Today I want to discuss about LinkedIn accounts, LinkedIn pages, and LinkedIn groups. What is the difference? How you can utilize them? LinkedIn account is for personal use. Let's say you and me having a personal account, we add our connections, our friends, our industry colleagues, and through that we promote our product and services also and events. LinkedIn pages and LinkedIn groups are specifically for your promotion of your company or promotion of your event. Now, on pages, you have followers, in groups, you have members. So, the difference between pages and groups is that in pages, only you can do any posting of any news or any stuff. Only you can post. Followers of that page can only comment on that post, but your followers, if they want to post anything about their services or their company, they can't do that in my page. So which makes it less interactive. The only benefit you get is that if you have a huge number of followers, then if you post anything about your event or about your company, you will get a lot of likes or maybe sharing of that post. So that's the maximum you get through pages. But in groups where you have members, members have the power to actually post about their product and services in that group, and all other members can see that who is publishing and promoting what. So which makes it more engaging platform where all your exhibitor and visitors, if they are there in the group, and you being the organizer, all three can interact with each other, sharing your own post, own stuff, promoting each other, and it's a healthy environment more in groups. So I personally suggest that for your event you should have both pages and groups. Page you can use for promoting about your event, because you will be promoting only about news about the event. Groups you can utilize to get the feedback from your exhibitor and visitor, and get some let's say survey from them or some feedback from them about the industry. So I personally recommend that you should use both platforms. um, I hope that this video will be beneficial for you to understand the difference, how you can utilize those platforms. If still it's not clear, you can message me and I can explain you in detail. To increase the followers on the pages or to increase the members in the group, use the same strategy I mentioned in my last video, that regular e-shot should be going out to your database, asking them to be a follower or a group member, maybe monthly or alternate week. Apart from that, regular posting every week. Let's say posting on a post on Facebook and Twitter platforms if you have it for your event, and to attract that audience from those platforms to LinkedIn platform. I hope this will help. Thank you very much. Bye bye.